Alright, so this section is 2.4. It's transforming graphs. So I made you this handout. I want to go over it with you. When you have a function, it can be expressed as y or f of x equals plus or minus. The plus obviously isn't going to show up. An a value, f of x, a plus or minus in the inside of the parentheses, a b value, minus h plus k. So f of x refers to a type of graph. You can, I should say, the transformers, so the a, the b, the pluses and the minus, the h and the k, they all move the graphs in the same way. The graphs look different depending on what graph you're talking about, so depending on the f of x. So in this case, these are two different graphs. One is a squared graph, or a quadratic, which is a parabola. The other one is an absolute value, which looks like a V. They're both different types of graphs, but they move in the same way. So you start out with different points, but you do the same movements to move them. So these are what each one of these stands for. The H is horizontal translation, so moving left or right. The K is a vertical translation, so moving up or down. The plus or minus reflect the graph. A plus or minus on the outside is a vertical reflection, so flipping something over vertically. A plus or minus on the inside here is a horizontal. B stretches or shrinks the graph horizontally, and A stretches or shrinks the graph vertically. The easiest way for me to remember this is things on the outside of the parentheses, so the A, a plus or minus on the outside, a K on the outside, all affect the graph vertically, so all affect the Y values. Things on the inside that go with the X affects the X values. The other way I remember it is things on the outside that affect things vertically, they stay the same. The things on the inside, you have to change.